In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy keyframes in Adobe After Effects. Whether you're working on a complex animation or making simple adjustments, knowing how to efficiently copy and paste keyframes can save you a ton of time and effort. Let's get started by diving into the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to open your composition within Adobe After Effects. This is your central workspace where all the magic happens. Once you're there, you're going to locate the layer that contains the keyframes you want to work with. Keyframes are essentially the markers that define the beginning and end points of any change you make within animation properties. So picking the right layer is your initial task. Once you've found your desired layer, you'll need to expand the property that has those keyframes you're interested in. To do this, you can click on the little triangle next to the layer name. This action reveals all the specifics of what's happening on that particular layer. It's like peeling back layers to see what's underneath, providing a detailed view of all animated properties and their keyframes. Next, move on to actually selecting the keyframe you wish to copy. Simply click directly on the keyframe, which is usually marked on the timeline as a small diamond. If you're looking to copy multiple keyframes, you can click and drag over them to select more than one. This is super handy if you have a series of movements or transformations you want to replicate exactly elsewhere. Now, with your keyframe selected, go ahead and press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. This is the standard copy function that many of you might already be familiar with, and it works perfectly for this task in After Effects. You've now successfully copied those keyframes to your clipboard, and they're ready to be pasted elsewhere. The next step is to decide where you want these keyframes to be pasted. Move the CTI, or the current time indicator, to the exact point in your timeline where you want the copied keyframes to start. Think of it as setting the destination for your keyframes. Finally, to complete the process, press Ctrl+V. This pastes the copied keyframes exactly where your CTI is positioned. It's as simple as that, and you've now effectively duplicated your animation, allowing for quick and seamless integration into your project. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to copy and paste keyframes in Adobe After Effects. With this technique, you can streamline your workflow and focus on creating more intricate animations with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy animating.